Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my van in preparation for our road trip to Disney World, and I'm also going to be sharing with you my girls' car bags, what I put in the car to entertain them. So if you want to see that, then keep watching. If you're driving on vacation, as so many of you guys have told me that you're driving to Disney and that you do it every year just like we do, we drive about 13 hours. Some of you drive less, some of you drive more to get to Disney World. So you need to make sure before you go anywhere that your vehicle is not affected by a nationwide Takata airbag recall. The Takata airbag recall actually affects 37 million vehicles in the United States and 19 car manufacturers, mine included. There are so many things to do to get ready for vacation, especially a Disney vacation. You've got to make your dining reservation 6 months in advance, you make your fast passes, you do all this stuff. None of that is as important as making sure that your car is not affected by this recall. All you have to do is enter your plate number in the Karma Project website, or you can even take a picture of your license plate and find out immediately if your vehicle is affected by the Takata airbag recall. You can instantly call somebody right then to set up an appointment to get it repaired for free, or you can have a call set up for them to call you back and make an appointment, but you want to make sure that you do it as soon as possible. So I know it's really dark in here, but it is pretty much clean. Everything looks a lot nicer. And am I going to win any Employee of the Month awards for being a car detailer? No. But I do the best I can with the time that I have allotted to do it, and I think I did pretty good. So it looks really nice and clean. I need to put the girls' car bags in the back seat. Both girls have a fresh pack of tissues. I cleaned out their pockets. I mean, it's unbelievable the stuff that kids will put in cubby holes, and I don't know who thought it was a good idea to put cubby holes in a car seat, but that's always a bad idea. So that's the back seat, and then the front seat is all done as well. Vacuumed, wiped down. wipe down the dashboard, straighten up the glove compartments. So it is pretty much clean, and that is something that I always do before any trip to Disney. So many of you have been asking if I'm going to be sharing what the girls are going to have in their car packs on the way to Disney. I am going to share that as I typically do every year. I've got all of the previous year's videos in my Disney playlist, which is linked below. There's not as much stuff this year because I have learned over the years, and as the girls have gotten older, there's really only certain things they played with, and I was bringing a lot more than really they actually used, which is fine. I mean, it's nice to have options, but we really figured out kind of a nice mix of what they really are going to use. Some things they even packed for themselves. So I got a couple surprises for each girl, and then they picked out the other stuff that they wanted to bring that they already had. Now you'll notice that my oldest daughter has less new stuff than my youngest daughter. That is for several reasons. Number one, it's a lot easier to find car entertainment for a 9-year-old than it is a 15-year-old. And it's okay, because when my oldest daughter was younger, or when she was the only child, she had tons of new stuff too. It's just the way that it worked out this year. It's not because I like one kid more than the other. It's just the age difference, honestly, that there's not as much to take with you in the car for an older child. And that's okay. And I also did get my oldest daughter a piano book that she wanted. I just got her last week, to use here in town. Obviously she can't bring it with her, but neither girl is hurting for anything, I promise. So don't worry about that. But this is my oldest daughter's bag. I've had these little bags for years. They came from 31 Gifts, and they fit perfectly like this in between the girls' seats. So we love these. This is like the only thing that my oldest daughter actually requested. I've gotten this for them before, and it's really fun. And who doesn't like stickers? It's a Melissa and Doug Sweets and Treats sticker pad, and you get all of these stickers that are like cherries and different sprinkles and toppings, and you can put them on cupcakes, cakes, and ice cream cones. So she actually asked for that. I didn't have this for her this year. We've done it like 2 different years before, and I didn't think she'd want it again, but she actually did like it, and so she asked for that. So bringing that with us. She picked this out that we've already had here at the house. It's an Usborne book with these rub-on transfers that you use to put on the paper and decorate the scenes. So that is an Usborne book. I don't know if it's still available, but she really likes that and brought that with her. This is also something we've had for a long time. It's the Mindwear Extreme Dot to Dot. I think both girls will probably end up doing this at some point, but it's kind of like, these pictures are really a lot. Look at all those dots. So she brought that. She also wanted to bring this, which I got from Amazon a few years ago. Intricate Butterflies, 45 designs to color, and they're just all these really pretty butterflies you can color. She also chose to bring these origami sets from the Dollar Tree, which they do still have these. I saw them recently, so we're bringing those. This is her just little notepad. And then she wanted to bring the Klutz Cat's Cradle game. It comes with the string, and you can do all the different little string things. You remember these things? Like when you would do like the little strings in your hands. So we have had this for a long time, and she chose to bring that. Also, I put these in there for her. I realized she may not want to play with these because, I don't know. But I did put these in here for her. I got these from the Dollar Tree. It's just different stickers. I mean, who doesn't like stickers? I still like stickers. If she doesn't want them, then she can give them to her sister. I got this for her from Ollie's. It is, you can see a sticker theme here. Sticker Therapy Animals. It's got all over 2,000 stickers. And let me find a picture. So the stickers are in the back, and then you put them here on the different numbered pieces, and it makes the different pictures. We like stickers around here. And then also she has the Vehicle Bingo game. There are 2 boards in here and 2 markers, so she can share that with her sister. And then she has this, which is actually part of a Squeeze-A-Mole 3-pack, and I just tore this one off. It's a mystery one, so she's got that just to play with in the car. And then her toothbrush kit, because I talked about this in a video before. The girls were always complaining about not being able to brush their teeth on the way to Disney in the car. It's like a 13-hour drive, and you want to brush your teeth. So I picked that up for her at the Dollar Tree. Other than her digital camera that we haven't packed yet, that's pretty much everything I put in her bag. She's also going to bring her larger notebook, like her art pad, and her pencils, but she's still using those here at home, so I haven't packed that yet. So that is everything in my 15-year-old's bag. Okay, and then this is my 9-year-old's bag. So she is bringing her art pad, which she did already pack. She's also bringing this big set of colored pencils, apparently. I don't really know why we need that. This I actually got for her. It's new, and I think both girls actually may use this. My friend Beth actually suggested this to me that she'd gotten for her daughter, and so I picked it up for my girls. And it's how to draw all of these little kawaii, cute little things like mushrooms and little plants and flowers and clovers and trees, and just really cute. So I think both girls will like that. We've had this for a while, and this is actually what the colored pencils down here are for. It is color by number, and it's a Mindware workbook. And all of these little pictures that you color in with the specified colored pencil. So I guess that's why she brought this color pencil kit, because they coordinate with this book. So she chose to bring that. This is new. She hasn't seen it. I got it at Ollie's. It's the Peter Rabbit sticker activity book. So just little scenes from the movie and stickers and some activities. I thought she might think that was cute because she loves that movie. And for her, instead of the Sweet Treats kit, she has the Zany Zoo sticker face. I've done these before too. They have all different versions of these, like a pirate version and a princess version. So 247 stickers. So instead of decorating the cupcakes, she's got all of these different animals to decorate, and then it comes with all of these cute little sticker faces and eyes and funny little things. So she usually likes things like that. So I picked that up at Ollie's. Also at the Dollar Tree, I got her 2 of these books. Again, if they don't want them, they can trade or share or whatever. So she has Insects and Bugs and In the Wild. She also has this from Dollar Tree. She has the Roadside Bingo version, whereas my oldest daughter had the Vehicle Bingo. So again, 2 boards, 2 markers, so they can each play, you know, the other person's game since there's 2 boards. And then this I got for her at Ollie's, sticker by number animals. So all of these different sticker pieces that you put together and make these animal pictures. I thought she would like that. Also, I have the Scratch and Sketch Secrets book from Scholastic. And this is all the Beanie Boos, and she loves the little Beanie Boos. It comes with the stick. She loves things like this, where you scratch off the black and there's like a pattern or a picture or a color underneath. So I got that for her. And then she wanted to bring her boogie board, so we're bringing that. And then the little sheets that go with that. She's also got her Leap Pad, so we've got that. Her camera. She's also got one of the little Squeeze-A-Mole mystery packs in her bag. And then her toothbrush kit and her pencil pouch. So that is everything for her. I don't need to put anything in there, except I think she does need to put, even though I said this is a pencil pouch, she's just got markers in here. So I need to put some pencils in here for her. And other than that, she's all packed and ready to go. So I'm going to go put this stuff in the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what we're giving the girls to play with in the car, things that are new and things that we've already had that they liked enough to bring with them. I think that kind of says a lot about the things that they chose to bring, that they would like it enough to bring it in the car to keep them entertained on the long car trips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And check out my Disney playlist. It's linked for you in the description box. Every Disney video I've ever made is in that playlist, from previous year's car bags, planning a vacation, dining reservations, how to save money on a Disney trip, all that stuff is in that playlist. So make sure you check that out if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.